Well, y'all, this video is going to be a little bit different. I ain't cooking. I'm cleaning. Because, well, after you get done cooking, you have to clean. And I've had several people ask on several different videos, can you show how to clean the Blackstone? Can you show the process of cleaning up? Well, I have a lot of dishes here. I'm not going to show you how to clean dishes, but I am going to show you how nasty a Blackstone can become after you cook something like what I just recently did, a beef and broccoli on the Blackstone. And this is the after effects of it. Really nasty, gunky, stuck on just nasty grease and just sugary stuff, just all kind of mess. And I'm also going to show you an easy way to help clean up your spatulas. Now, don't get me wrong, you're still going to take your spatulas in and wash them, but this will get a lot of that stuck on food and nastiness off those spatulas also. So with that being said, let's go on over there and get that griddle clean. Now, the first thing you want to do is go on and fire up that Blackstone. Now, while this griddle heats up, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to clean this griddle. Pretty basic stuff. I have a full bottle of water right here, some paper towels. I do have some oil when I'm getting done when I can re-season it, and a really good scraper. That's pretty much all you're going to need. This griddle is ready to be cleaned, and how you can tell is, look at all this smoke coming off. Usually that smoke means it's time ready to throw down some groceries. Now it's time to get to what leftover groceries there are off the griddle. So what I like to do first is, look at there. A lot of it just peels right up. All that sugary stuff off that beef and broccoli we had. Now you can try to shove that down the back, however you want to do it. I'll just take it up and I'll put it over here on my little side pad just to get it out of my way. Just get the rest of this up. Look at there. Already made a huge difference just by turning it on high. And like Todd said, it kind of turns all that sugary mess to ash and it scrapes right up. Easy enough. Look at that. So whatever's left, I can just take and just shove down this back hatch right here. Now, these spatulas, look at these. Nasty, nasty, nasty. The trick is, grab you some water. And if you noticed, I left the spatulas on the griddle because I want them hot. Take a little water. A lot of that will scrape right off there. That old nastiness will come right off these spatulas with that hot water. It steams them clean. Look at the difference that made already. But compared to that back side, look at the back side, front side. Let's get this back done now. Get a little steam action going there. Look at that. Cleans them right up. Now, like I said, you still got to take them inside and wash them, but that gets a lot of that hard stuck-on stuff off these spatulas before you take them inside. So I'm going to get this other one done real quick. And there we go. Good enough to go inside and be washed up. Now, let's finish up this griddle. You noticed a lot of the water spraying on here. You can see it pulling up all that nastiness that's still down in that seasoning. And that's what we're trying to get off of here. Want to get all that off here. So just take some water, just regular old water, and steam this griddle. But sometimes, especially after it's been such a mess like this, you got to do it a few times. It's okay, but each time you do it, it gets a little cleaner. So just keep on doing it until your water pretty much comes up clean. You can see it. You'll know when it quits pulling up all that stuff. You still kind of see it, but that's okay. But overall, look how good this looks. So what we're going to do now is grab some paper towels. Now, if you want to use some tongs, I kind of highly recommend doing that. Don't do like I do, do like I say. But I just take them and wipe the whole griddle top down. Get these corners, get the edges, get all over, get back here at the grease trap, and just a good wipe down. What I want to do. Now look at how nasty that is, y'all. Just look at that. Yep. So we're going to keep on doing it. Now, one thing you can do to kind of help out with paper towels, a little water, and just take paper towel and just go over spots. Be careful though, because that steam is hot. Now, as you see, look how much cleaner that became all of a sudden. So, once you get all that done, it's time for oil. Let's throw down a little bit of oil on top. Grab us some paper towels. And we will just put a final coat right here on this griddle top. Real simple, real easy. And just like that, we'll move our grease guard over, kind of keep rodents out. Because let's be honest, that is a problem. Rodents are a problem. And that grease trap in the back will help stop them. But anyhow, that looks pretty good. So let's kill the heat. And just like that, your griddle is ready for the next cook. Super simple, super easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it out. Tell others about it. Say, hey, look, this is how you do it. Tell them.
Hey, look, this is how you do it.
Just like that. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.